In this video, we're going to review custom puddle lights for Tesla. These puddle lights are applicable for all Tesla models and really allow you to personalize your car. What's going on, everyone? As you're aware that I am always looking for unique and new accessories to review in this channel. So I got really excited when Pimp My EV reached out to me about reviewing their custom puddle lights here for you all. Tesla doesn't even include their own logo as a puddle light. It's just that white light that projects on the ground from underneath the door panel. So over the years, many companies have figured out a way to just put Tesla logo as a custom puddle light where you can see the logo on the ground when the doors are open. However, this is the first time I have seen someone putting an actual customized logo, and you can put whatever you want and in a colorful format. So I'm really excited to present this product to you today. This is also the first time we're reviewing any product from this company. So Pimp My EV is the name of the company, and they carry large selection of Tesla accessories. So please do check them out. I'm gonna put a link down below in my description for their website. I also wanted to give a special shout out to my friends at F The Pump for sending me this super cool t-shirt here today. They carry large selection of EV friendly merch. They have stickers, they have t-shirts, so please do check them out. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description for their website. So just looking at the box, you know, they have their logo here and they have a protective case here. And this custom puddle light just looks like a regular puddle light. And for comparison, this is what the Tesla's regular puddle light looks like. So it has a little light bulb right here, and so does this one. So it's the custom puddle light, looks exactly the same. This is a one-to-one retrofit with the Tesla's puddle light, so you don't really have to do any wirings, non-invasive installation, super easy and quick installation for this one. But do notice that Tesla's puddle light doesn't have this extension cable here. So the Tesla's light, there is that cable that comes from the Tesla, and then you just plug it in here, versus this one, it makes it a little bit easier to install because it does have this extension cord. So you don't have to reach so much underneath that door panel. When the cable comes out, you can feed this cable a little bit easier. So I do like that they include an extension cord here. These lights are marked left and right, so the orientation is already clearly marked and it is easy for you to install. All you need for this installation is a plastic pry tool. You can also use a flathead screwdriver, but just be careful not to scratch anything. Let's go out there and install this light. Reach under the door panel and gently pry on one side of the puddle light. Use your finger to pull the puddle light out. You then need to pinch on this very middle tab, and while holding the tab, pull the light apart from the connector. You'll hear your windows go up. Don't be alarmed, that is normal. Now grab your new custom lights, and the orientation of these lights are printed directly on the side. The L means left, and just face the L sticker towards the exterior of the car on the left side with the correct clock orientation, and plug the new connector to the existing Tesla connector. For the right side lights, you'll use the one that says R, and you'll need to align the light to the right side, and R faces towards the exterior of the car. You'll hear the window go down a little bit. Push the new custom lights into a space where we removed the original lights from. That's it. Super easy installation. I'm really happy with how this turned out. These lights are really bright. These are great for folks who love modifying their cars and making it look different than everybody else's. Even on somewhat of a bright, there is some light, you can still see these lights being projected in the ground because they have different colors. So I could really spot the red, I could really spot the green. So this came out really great in my opinion. These lights are 1100 lumens, so they are expected to be really bright. I think this makes for a great birthday present if you want to customize the name, logo, letters, anything that you want to customize. This is really great for that purposes. I can also see university alumni putting this on their cars to represent their university. If you're an avid fan of certain sports team, you can certainly project that in your car. There's so many use cases for this amazing creative product. A couple of things I want to highlight here though, and the requirements for this product. So this product comes in a pair of two. So for me, because I did 3 different designs, there were 6 lights that came with my kit. So if you want to do 4 lights for the 4 doors, you can do 2 designs, one for the front, one for the back, or you can just do 1 design for all 4 doors. But just keep in mind, you can't do 4 designs and expect to just get 4 lights. You're gonna have to get, for 4 doors, if you want different design on each door, you're gonna have to get 8 different lights. You also have to send your own design to the company. They prefer to get it on a 4000 by 4000 pixel in a vector format. You can create such images and logos using Canva. You can also, solicit some of that work to Fiverr, where there are people who will do, make a custom logo for you for really affordable pricing. So there are multiple ways that you can check it out online. They also tell you that please email them before you place an order to make sure that they can accommodate your custom logo request. This is definitely a sticker shock when you first look at the product. It costs $149.99 to just do 2 lights. So if you want to just do in the front, it costs you about $150. And then if you want to do 4 lights, so for all 4 doors, it is $199.99. At least that is the pricing at the time of making the video. So I asked them, why does it cost so much? I'm not used to paying that much money for a puddle light. And this is the response that I got from the company. We use glass lenses and the process is quite involved. The design is refined infused on a glass lens. Then the lens is attached to the circuit board with 800 lumens LED SMD in white and red. There are 2 SMD types for each color. We then proceed to testing the lenses for quality, output, focus, and strength. The focus part of the build is specific to the car, as each car has a different height from the bottom of the door to the surface. Tolerances are then introduced for cars that are slightly higher or lower according to the car being full of passengers or any electronic air suspension system installed. This is the most time-consuming part of the build. Once all of this is done, the lights are put into specific housing that will fit onto the car doors. The price includes the graphic editing, production, testing, quality control, light fitting, packaging, shipping, and tax. Everything is included in that price. Overall, I think this is a great product, a great addition for my car. What do you think about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your continued support to my channel. I'll be back again with some awesome Tesla videos like this in the near future. We have so many products that we're unboxing right now. So we're gonna be putting out a lot of videos in the near future with various Tesla accessories, super cool and unique Tesla accessories. So stay tuned for all of those videos. I really appreciate your continued support. Namaste.